a couple dents in the floor we're going to take care of. I don't know if you can see right in here a little bit. This one's all bent in. So we're going to yank out the carpet real quick in the back seat and beat that all back down and work it back into place. And, but he's cleaned up most of the floor, cleaned up a bunch more, get the floor all cleaned up, and then we'll seal that back up. All right. Now just yanking everything out of the inside.
Mailbox kit looks like.
No, I thought you said old teeth.
Oh.
You got a whole bunch of old hair pins, man. You can tell some old lady drove this. Well, not old. It was just a mom, probably 70s, whatever. Riding around with her curlers in her hair. All stuffed under the seat. Some old keys, not any old teeth, right?
I haven't found no old teeth yet.
Nah, no old teeth. Alright, have fun. Alright, we got all the carpet out of the way and everything. Everything on this side, it's been leaking and getting pretty wet on this side. If you see it, you know, just in and out. This side's got a lot of rust. It's not through. We're going to take a black waffle wheel and clean everything off of it real good and clean it up. Got a little bit to the back, not much. Let me turn this light back on. Gives you a little bit this way that you can see it. And we got some down that side. I'm going to walk over there real quick and show you. And we're just going to clean it all up. And we're going to seal the floor back up with some POR. We're going to grind all this stuff out and try to get 90% of the rust gone and just cleaning up and sealing back up before he rots through. We'll get a lot more years of use out of it unless we got to do something there. Let me run around to this side. Yeah, as you see here, man, it's heavy. It's surface rust. It's a little heavy on top, but it's not through. You can beat on it. It's still solid there. Now that side's questionable. We'll clean it all out and get it cleaned up and see where we end up. All right. Real quick, that's where the dent was up through the floor. I showed you a few minutes ago, and it really didn't take very much to just knock it down and get it roughed back in. You got the right tool, you just rolls right into those corners, rolls into there, another one rolls in down through there. It just makes it real quick. We got to do one more that's up here in the front corner, and that's it. All right, that's knocked back down. That's knocked back down. I might have spent 2.5 minutes there and 30 seconds there, but he's probably spent an hour taking the inside out to get it there. Everything to bolt and unbolt and take the interior and all the seats and everything else out is taking quite a while, and it'll be a while cleaning up that area. You know, putting it in stuff won't take long. Like I said, that dent didn't take very much. That's quick and done. All right.